Using the Cash App in the UK is incredibly easy. Today I'll show you how to do it safely. Cash App offers several security features to protect your account, such as PIN, Touch ID, Face Idaho authentication, notifications, and a security lock. Ensure these features are enabled to add an extra layer of protection. Remember, Cash App is not a bank and your money is not federally insured, so it's best to treat it as a means to send and receive money, not store large sums. Be cautious of requests to send money to strangers or unrecognized accounts. If unsure about a recipient, verify their identity before sending money, as scammers often target Cash App users. Never share your Cash App PIN, sign-in code, or sensitive information. The Cash App will never ask for this information. Keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If you notice suspicious activity, such as unauthorized transactions, contact Cash App support immediately. Public Wisconsin Fi networks are less secure than private ones, so avoid using Cash App on public Wi-Fi if possible. If necessary, use a VPN to encrypt your traffic for added security.